When the Amber Heard trial destroyed Johnny Depp's life, Winona Ryder defended him, saying that he was caring and protective of her. The Johnny Depp fandom has virtually been quiet for some time now that the Fairfax defamation action has been put on hold. But until the Depp Heard Round 2 can start, the public will have plenty to worry about from the content and controversy that emerged from the publicized courtroom trial's April to June session. The testimony from Kate Moss was deemed to be the clear winner for Depp's side among the several declarations made in court on behalf of the plaintiff. But above all else, Winona Ryder was the final nail in the coffin for Johnny Depp's redemption in the court of public opinion. At the time of the 2020 London libel trial, Winona Ryder had provided a comprehensive statement. However, during the defamation trial, the actress made comments outside of the courtroom for reasons that were easily discernible if one chose to read between the lines of her evasive statements. Condensed practically word for word from her testimony during the libel trial, she asserts, Johnny Depp and Winona Ryder had a relationship that was more than just infamous, and their romance was everything from whirlwind. Having met at the Great Balls of Fire film premiere, it was deemed love at first sight when the two met in 1989, and 5 months later they were engaged. During 1993, the pair, who had grown to be the subject of media fixation, with each of their actions sparking a spectacular frenzy among tabloids and journals, announced their separation. It would later be revealed that the couple's separation was mostly due to the media's excessive exposure to them in the public glare. Although there was sufficient evidence presented at trial for the jury to agree that Amber Heard had defamed Johnny Depp in the 2018 opus ed, other texts, video clips, photographs, and audio recordings supplied concurrently were used to judge who had been more abusive to the other party. The lines between right and wrong became as hazy as they could be as things spiraled out of control, with recordings frequently reaching horrific crescendos. The public television broadcast of the courtroom drama, which was frequently referred to as the celebrity trial of the century, was nothing more than deceit and manipulation once it became clear that the public had already formed opinions about the plaintiff and the defendant, and that the jury verdict was in danger of being seen as merely a formality. Even though the defamation case was the focus of the trial, it turned out to be an extension of the London libel case, which had resulted quite negatively for Johnny Depp and his Hollywood career.